Uh-oh. Good thing I have is VTOMAN X7 jump starter and air compressor. Next up on reviews, we see if that'll start my 2018 5.7 liter Tundra. Let's do it. All right, so I just picked up this X7 VTOMAN from Amazon. It was on the Prime Big Deal days, and I've already used it. I've already used the air compressor. There's actually a bunch of automatic functions, which is pretty cool. You can actually have it set to, like, it says like car. It'll pump it up to 34 or 35, whatever PSI. You can adjust it to, and it'll automatically stop when it gets to that certain level. Also, this guy is a battery bank. It also has a nice little flashlight. So it's got a flashlight, it's got a red blinky light, and SOS, which is cool. And then you use a USB Type-C to charge the guy up. It comes with your little air adapter there for your tires. It comes with a couple different cables. So if you have a USB Type A to Type C, and then you also have C to C. So we're gonna see, because this thing says on the website it'll start up to a 10 liter gas engine. So let's go ahead and pop this thing under the hood and see how she does. Okay, so we've got, honestly, I don't even know when this battery is from. I think I've had this battery for probably a good 4 years now, probably. So it's probably about time we need it to be changed. So it's really easy to use, this guy. Okay guys, so all we really did is went ahead and connected the red to the red and the black to the black. And then down here, if you see, it's got the little light that says correct, and it's lit up. So all we're gonna do is go ahead and hop in and try to start it, see what happens. All right guys, moment of truth, here we go. Bam, look at that. Easy peasy. Good job, VTOMAN, that is incredible. Super quick, super easy. Started right up. Awesome. All right, so I wanted to show you the capabilities of the tire inflator on the VTOMAN X7. So again, you can adjust the PSI in which it automatically stops. So all we're going to do is attach this little guy right here to the top, and we'll go back to my rear tire here, and we'll see what the recommended PSI is. So if you look on your tire here, mine says 50 PSI, but I've been keeping it a little bit lower than that, so we'll maybe inflate it to maybe 40. So I'm gonna set this to 40, and then I'm gonna screw this in the top. Let's go here. So I'll just put it there, and then we'll connect it up here. And now what we're gonna do is go ahead and turn it on. And as you can see, I didn't touch anything. It automatically turned off when it hit 40. So that's awesome. All right, so as you saw, the VTOMAN started the Tundra right up, and again, this is a 5.7 liter gas engine, so if you've got anything less than that, you're probably going to be okay. Again, this is the X7. They do have a bunch of different other models, but yeah, that was super easy, and it still has 4 bars of battery, so that's awesome. Couldn't be more happy with it. Thank you so much for watching G-Reviews, guys. Again, if you liked the video, please click that like button and subscribe for more great content. The X7 did an exceptional job at starting the Tundra, as well as pumping up the tires. I would recommend this to really anybody that has a vehicle, because this is so convenient that you don't have to plug it in anywhere. It's just wireless, and you can charge your phone with it, all sorts of other things. But again, like I said, I'll have a link in the description of where to pick this guy up from Amazon. If you have any questions, please let me know in the description. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.